Today's challenge is, can I find an entire outfit at Goodwill? Hi, I'm Janine. Thrifting and shopping secondhand has been a part of my life for the last 15 years, and I've been able to curate the wardrobe of my dreams over the years, as well as decorate my home by shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, consignment shops, the Goodwill outlet, and Facebook Marketplace. If you like secondhand outfit inspiration, upcycling, thrift flips, and home decor ideas, just keep watching to see Jane Thrift. It's time for another episode of Secondhand Outfit Search, and that is where I go to one particular secondhand or thrift shopping place and select an entire outfit. Today I'm going to be focusing on Goodwill. I am going to be allowing myself to go to multiple Goodwills and possibly go to the same one in different days. I do live in a small town and sometimes I don't always have the selection. I'm just working on switching out my handbag today. So let me go pick out another one. All right, I think I'm gonna go with this one. I got this at Goodwill actually years ago, one of my favorites. But here are the rules that I have. I have one outfit, complete outfit that I need to get. It can be either one garment, such as a dress or a jumpsuit, or it can also be two pieces, a top and a bottom, and also need shoes and one accessory. I'm really looking forward to this challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and head on out. It's just a little bit chilly today, so I'm going to put a jacket on and I'll see y'all at Goodwill. I'm going to start off here in the long sleeve shirts and see what we can find. Ooh, I see the Free People tag, size large. Love this print. $7.99. Very wrinkled. Really like that Free People top. I'm gonna head over to the jeans and see if I can find anything over there that goes with them. Found this Beta brand. I know that this is a good brand. I love that it's petite. These are $7.99. Pink tags are half off today. I've never tried this brand. I really like the unique pocket, and they're a pull-on style. Looks kind of like a straight leg. I think I'm gonna give these a shot. Oh, I turned them around and I thought this was a flaw, and I think it's actually a pocket. Yeah, it's an actual little pocket. I don't know why. We'll have to do research on that. Really was not expecting to find a pull-on pair of jeans, but I really like the Beta brand. Excited to try those on. I'm gonna take a look at the shoes to see if we can find this all in one fell swoop. Not really finding any shoes that I'm liking with this look. I may go to another location today. I'm going to head over to another location and see if I can find any shoes. I am really thinking I want to find a pair of leather shoes, possibly some flats. My first instinct is like the famous Dorsey Free People flats, but the chances of finding something like that are very unlikely, but you got to try. Looking at shoes, not gonna lie, loving these. These are Gianni Beanie, way too high for me. I would love to be able to wear these. These actually are very reminiscent of that Free People shoe. These are Maurice's. They're faux leather. Not quite what I want. I would really like to find leather. No shoes at that location that I thought went really good with that outfit. And so I'm going to go ahead and head on home, regroup, and I need to decide what I'm going to choose for an accessory and probably go out to another Goodwill another day. So I'll see you at home. Back at home, and I've laundered and steamed both these pieces. I really like them together. I know you really couldn't see the print in the thrift store, but this is just gorgeous. I love this, and I love the V-neck here. And I know I was questioning what I was going to do for an accessory. I really think this is calling for some sort of a necklace, so I think I'm going to choose that. And I still definitely want to go with like a leather, like low shoe or booty. Those mules, those Gianni Beanie mules, would have looked absolutely amazing with this, but I just can't pull off that type of a heel. Back at another Goodwill to see if I can find some shoes and possibly a necklace. Just gonna check out the shoes first. Those are the sandals. I need to find, here we go, more of a closed toe shoe. Nothing I'm seeing so far. These look interesting. Some Vionics. I like the gold, but I don't know. These seem not quite right. There's also these little sneakers. Those are really cute, but I don't know. They just seem really casual. These are Cole Haan. Cute, but no. They unfortunately do not sell jewelry at my Goodwills, but I spotted this hat and I love this. This could be like the perfect choker, and then I could just use the hat for something else. Just wear that. It's a Target, actually brand new, for $2.99. That's actually pretty good for a necklace. We'll have to DIY that at home. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove this band from the hat by snipping the threads that are attaching it to the hat. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up the band by removing this string that's holding it all together so it's one long piece. I've really been taking my time thinking about what I want to do. Now that I have this band piece, I was kind of thinking if maybe I wanted to do it this way, but then when I put that on and gathered it or tied a knot or something, I just really like this braided macrame piece. So I really would like to do like a choker and add like a clasp in the back. But because of that V neck on that top, I want to add some sort of pendant. And just because I have a couple of my favorite fashion brands that are using shells right now, I thought it would be really cool if I had the choker and then added some sort of shell. So I'm going to go to the thrift at some point and just keep my eye out for a shell or shells so I can have them for other future projects too. So That is my idea with this necklace. I'm heading into another Goodwill to look for some shells. What are the chances? I'm here in the home section, and I was thinking that it would be really cool to incorporate some shells into that necklace DIY that I'm thinking of. I'm like, there's no possibility that I'm going to find actual shells when I'm looking for that. I can do so many things with for $3.99. I dug through the entire bag and found my perfect shell. And here's the one I selected, and I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole for the string. And all through, there we go. Got a nice clean hole there that I can use to attach that to the necklace. I'm going to go ahead and attach these ribbon clamp closures that I got to make this into a functional necklace. I did trim down the sides and it worked out great. Next, I'm just using some of that string that I cut off to attach the shell, and I've got myself a custom choker necklace. I still need to find my shoes, so I'm heading into this Goodwill to see if I can get lucky here. I've always had the most luck at this Goodwill for shoes. And ooh, I see some leather. Let's see if it's real. I can tell just by the feel. It's real. These are really cute. $8.99, orange or half off. Lucky brand. I love these. Now that I have all the components for my secondhand outfit from Goodwill, it is time for the reveal. In 3, 2, 1. And here's my final look. The entire outfit was sourced from a Goodwill, and I wanted to give you a breakdown of everything. This was a lot of fun to put together. The top is the Free People Mia tunic. I paid $7.99 for it, and it retails for $128. The jeans are the Beta brand signature mid-rise denim. I paid half off of $7.99, so about $3.99 for these, and they retailed again for $128. The necklace, which was a total DIY, I paid $2.99 and $3.99 for the two parts, and a total of $6.98. I am estimating that in a retail environment, this necklace would go for about $38. The Lucky brand boots, these are the Lemon booties. I paid $8.99, half off, $4.50 is what I paid. They retailed for $139. Which means all in, I paid $23.46 for this entire outfit, and it retails for $433. Putting this outfit together actually didn't take me very long. I had a few things that happened in between of getting ready for the holidays and all of that kind of stuff when I was putting this together. I would say on the average it took me about 3.5 days. A little bit different from my last secondhand outfit search challenge, which took me a little bit longer with Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't watched that one already, I would highly recommend it. It was a lot of fun to put together. I will put a link for it in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.